Okay, guys, I did some analytics on the videos I've been posting, and it seems that a large number of you are only watching about the first 5 or 6 minutes, and you're not finishing it all the way through, which explains some of the questions that I've been getting, and it also explains some of the mistakes that I've seen on your rough drafts. Okay, guys, it is very important that you are watching those videos. A lot of times there's important information all the way through, or there are examples of things like those parenthetical citations and those lead-ins, etc. I've also posted handouts on those things as well. So you really need to use your resources and scroll through Edmodo and see how much of that you can find, because I might not physically be able to get to every single question, especially a lot of those questions that are asked over and over, and yet they're covered on some of those videos. Okay, so be proactive in that. I know I'm boring, but it could help you in the long run. Today, your assignment is the little quiz for Gothic literature. Okay, there's 6 questions. There's 4 multiple choice at the beginning, and then there's 2 written questions. A short answer for Dracula, and then a short answer for Frankenstein, although your Frankenstein writing will be longer. Okay, you have 30 minutes to complete the whole thing, so just divide it up. Spent 15 minutes on the Dracula, that's 4 multiple choice and 1 short writing, and then spend 15 minutes typing up your Frankenstein answer, and at the end you click submit and it sends it to me. Okay, 30 minutes. If you have extra time and desire, go ahead and keep working on those rough drafts and doing those editing and revising tricks from that checklist. I will tomorrow post an assignment for us to do the next 4 or 5 steps on the checklist. Okay? All right. Have a great day. Bye.